Hi girls and guys, Boris Gelfand. Guys, we finished some project which is, I'm sure you're gonna like it, so your comments very important. We just did renovation and full renovation for the house, and it's important your opinion. It's 4-bedroom house with a 2.5 bathrooms. Guys, let me show the house and I'm willing to see your comments. Let's see the house. Okay guys, house located at nice community which is not big, and maintenance $138 only. So this is 2-story house which was recently updated, and so it has nice size lot. I think it's 40 by 120, and house itself is 2700 under AC. It's 4 full bedrooms plus office room. So let's see, and 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and house recently updated, so you don't need to make any improvements. Everything done, so you can move right away and just to put your clothes. So on the first floor you have with the room, which, as I said, small room, which is could be learning room, office room, and it's 2-story. Let's see the first floor. On the first floor you have some family area, which is we put some table from the party, but it's family room. It has half bathroom and very nice size kitchen, modern granite countertop, backsplashes, get everything updated and looks perfectly. So this is another dining area and TV space. So basically on the wall is going to be TV, and has big patio from paving, and so you can enjoy barbecues and everything. It's from one door to another door, everything just built it, and has 2-car garage. So everything updated, guys. You don't need to spend anything. House offered on market for $349, and you can be user, you can be investor. For investment, it's you can rent it like $2,500 per month, easy, because it's big in house. 2-car garage with a motor on an opening. So let's go to the second floor. So house in excellent shape, everything updated, and it has enough room for everybody. It's 2,700 square feet under AC. 4 full bedrooms, which is on the second floor, and plus small room. Maintenance, like I said before, $138 only. So it's for common area, for the lights, for insurance, for intercom system. It's gated community. So this is master bedroom, which is really big size. Okay, 2 walk-in closets, one on the left, one on the right, double sink, bathroom cup, vanity, standard shower. So everything in excellent shape, so you don't need to make any improvements for another couple good years. You don't need to spend anything. So let's go to other rooms. This is second bedroom, very decent size, closets. Second, I mean it's already third one. Again, closets, shared bathroom between the rooms. Like I said, everything updated, shiny, so you don't need to make any renovations. And 4th bedroom. So it's full bedrooms apartment, I mean house, and on 2-story. Guys, I would like to see your comments. So sign for our channel, and I would like to answer to all your questions.